Tonight, KHOU 11 Investigates has discovered years of rape cases are on hold in Harris County.
And those cases all have one thing in common. The evidence was handled at the Memorial Hermann Health System.
Let's get straight to investigative reporter Jeremy Rogowski for details on what he has uncovered. Jeremy?
Well, Mia and Len, the Harris County District Attorney's Office has called a timeout, requesting that no trials or plea deals take place in many rape cases handled by Memorial Hermann until it can investigate potential irregularities.
When hospitals perform sexual assault exams, state law requires they release that evidence to police within 30 days so it can be analyzed at a crime lab.
This is a real problem.
But Dr. Peter Stout, head of Houston's crime lab, says he identified major delays with a few dozen rape kits handled by Memorial Hermann.
Those ranged from months to some of them, unfortunately, were years.
How many years?
The oldest ones we saw were in 2014, so about 3 years.
And he says the majority of those sexual assault exams were performed on children.
We can't do our job if those kits don't even make it to the property room to make it to us.
And in those cases, who loses?
Well, the victim loses, and the rest of the citizens of the city.
Dr. Stout said the crime lab and Houston police met with Memorial Hermann to discuss the delays, but a hospital spokesperson wouldn't comment on them, claiming they don't know the specific cases being referenced. But in addition to delays, there are other allegations surfacing against Memorial Hermann about mishandling of evidence.
We've spoken with 3 former insiders here who say they witnessed rape evidence kits sitting around, unsealed and unsecured. That's a major no-no in the world of forensic science, but it's something Memorial Hermann flatly denies.
The integrity of the physical evidence is sound, a spokesperson told us by email, adding that all physical evidence has been properly collected, documented, and sealed. But despite that position, the district attorney's office is putting rape cases handled by Memorial Hermann on hold for the time being. It's reviewing the procedures and protocols regarding those rape kits dating back to January 2014. Prosecutors are not to plea or try any of those cases until the DA's office can confirm the absence of any irregularities. Until that happens, Dr. Stout says,
Victims can't get justice and perpetrators can't get off the street.
Now, District Attorney Kim Ogg declined an on-camera interview request while this review continues. The Memorial Hermann spokesperson tells me they are, quote, confident that whatever questions exist from the DA will be fully addressed. And that spokesperson, again, Len and Mia, emphasizing that the integrity of the physical evidence from Memorial Hermann's perspective is not in dispute.
So what about the dozens of cases reportedly delayed? What about them?
The crime lab tells me they have analyzed all of those kits, but again, no criminal prosecutions are moving forward, at least for the time being.
My, what an ordeal. Jeremy Rogowski, thanks so much.
Sure.